Alright, today we're going to multiplying polynomials.
Brings it back to the Zoom days.
So, indeed. So, when we multiply polynomials, most of today, not going to be everything today, but most of today is going to be binomials times binomials, which we'll kind of talk about a certain method, but just in general, if they tell you to multiply this, what do you suppose you're going to do?
X times X.
So it'd be like
Alright,
X.
so you're going to do x times x,
7.
I agree. So when you take x times x, what do you get?
X. 2x.
2x.
X to the second power.
X is the first.
I like it. X squared. X times x is x squared.
Oh,
There's 2 x's.
I thought 2x.
What next?
5
5
times 2.
times 2.
Okay.
I thought it was 11 personally, but
And that's
I could
it?
be wrong.
Um,
No, you gotta do 2x divided by 10, or 10 divided by 2x. You need five. Oh, it's not 2x, it's x is.
Huh?
X is second.
That is not it. We're far from done. And again, think, if x is 2, let's say x is 2 here, right? Well, 2 plus 5 would be 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 7 times 4 is 28, right?
mhm.
2 squared plus 10 gives you 14. So obviously that's not enough, right? So the big thing when we're multiplying by polynomials, when it's next to each other like this, we want to multiply, kind of the thing I like to say is multiply everything times everything. So, what I mean, so if I take x times x, so yes, we have x squared. Now, I need to take x times
2.
2, so we have plus
2.
2x. Okay, then I need to take the 5 times everything, so 5 times
5x
x, and then 5 times 2
plus 10.
plus 10. Okay, now, can I simplify anything here?
7x.
7.
So we get x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay. You know, we do another one. And multiply everything times everything. 2x times 3x is
6x.
6x
Squared.
squared. Okay, don't forget that squared, very important. And we gotta take 2x times negative 4 sub negative.
8x.
Then again, 5 times everything. So 5 times 3x is,
20x.
and then 5 times negative 4.
Negative 20. Negative 20.
So again, anything I can simplify here?
You could 6x minus 28x.
Well, I think negative 8x and positive 15 gives us positive 7x.
Oh yeah.
Coincidence that these both end up being 7x. That definitely won't be the case very often, but just so happen to happen here. Okay. So again, when you're multiplying polynomials, the biggest thing is you want to multiply each term by everything. All right, in the other polynomial. So there's another way. There's kind of a little acronym. Anybody know what an acronym is?
MDAS.
Okay, MDOS would be an acronym, right? Okay, because please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, whatever the case may be. Okay, but it's just, you know, letters that kind of form a word that represent a saying. Okay, well, when we're multiplying specifically binomials, so like we have, now let's make another simple one, x plus 5 times x plus 4. An acronym that we like to use, okay, or that's commonly used, is FOIL. Okay, and this FOIL method will make sure that we multiply everything within this, within these two binomials. So F stands for first. Okay. So we're going to multiply the first numbers in each binomial. Okay, so first, so x times x is
X to the
X squared.
x squared. Okay. O. Any guess what O means?
other.
Okay, so think about it. We have first. Okay. What do you suppose O would be?
Outside.
Out.
Yeah. Okay. outside or outer, either way, so we're gonna take, outer numbers would be what?
5 and 4.
X.
Oh, X and
X and 4, because they're on the outside, so that gives us plus
4x.
4x.
On
Okay,
the
next
inside,
would be inside or inner. Again, you can do inner or inside, so then that would be what?
5x.
Okay, and then L stands for
Last.
last. Okay, so last would be 5 times 4.
65.
So again, I simplify this, 4x and 5x is
9x.
alright. Okay, so again, not really, but kind of, reminds me of smiley face. Alright, spoiling is fun, so it makes me smile. So when I'm foiling, that's kind of what I'm working on. You know, I have 2 eyebrows, kind of, they're crossed, whatever, but, whatever. Okay. So, yeah, then we got like a smiley face with the chin right there. Good times, good stuff. Okay. I don't know. 2 times x plus 7. Okay, so again, if we do this by foiling. Okay, again, first thing we do, first numbers. So 3x times x is what?
3x squared.
Okay, next step, outside numbers, so 3x times 7.
21x.
Okay, next step, inside, so negative 2x,
Last.
and then last. Okay, again, we simplify the inner and outer, so we get 3x squared
Plus 19x.
minus 14. Okay. Again, very straightforward. If you want, this is how I like to do it. Okay. When I'm foiling this, okay, I kind of like to write my number like 3x times 7, 21x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. So when we do this, then I can just go straight 3x squared plus 19x minus 14. So I don't have to write it twice. Completely up to you when you do it though. But when you're doing this on your paper, write the original problem down so you can show that foil.
It was Hunter, I saw it.
He was knocking on the Spanish door. Or English.
I can't do that. I didn't know.
Yeah, Zach was absent a week.
I was asking the way.
This guy. Alright, so FOIL, a big part of doing multiplying binomials. Now, they may give you something that might look like this.
Yeah, they won't be there tomorrow. No, you looked at Thursday.
Okay. Now, is this multiplying a binomial by a binomial?
No.
This would be a binomial times a trinomial. So this case, we're going to go back to how we started and just basically using the distribution property all the way through.
So do you still take everything times everything?
So we're going to go like, again, x times everything. So when I do that, x times x squared is
X to the third.
x times negative 5x would be negative 5x squared, right? And then x times 20,
Is 20x.
okay? Now we gotta take 2 times everything. Okay, so 2 times x squared,
Is 2x squared.
2x squared. Now, you can write that over here if you want. I like using the vertical method because notice those are like terms, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I can go negative 5x squared and 2x squared when I start simplifying.
So then it'd be negative 20.
Okay, so then 2 times negative 5x is
Negative 20.
negative 10x, I think.
Yep.
And then 2 times 20
40.
is plus 40. Okay, so then we can simplify x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x
Grant, the dandruff in here.
plus 40. Is that a problem?
No.
Alright, so, we're gonna write a polynomial here. To represent, so we're gonna write a square walkway, around this garden, so people can walk around the garden, check out the flowers, whatever. Alright? They want you to write a polynomial that represents the area of this entire rectangle. Okay? Yes.
Can you do like x plus 10 in parentheses and then x plus 25?
Exactly. Okay. So again, all we're doing here, what's the area of a rectangle? Length times width, right?
Yeah.
Well, what is this length here?
25 plus x.
Close.
25 times x?
Now, I like the 25 plus x.
25 plus x squared.
2.
Dang it!
Okay,
It's
again,
not like you drowned.
what's the length there? That's also x, right?
Oh,
So it'd be like 25 plus x plus x. What's x plus x?
x is second.
X squared. Good.
It would be 2x, right?
No,
Okay.
this had me confused.
Then this length here is gonna be what?
10x. 10
10
plus 2x.
10 plus 2x.
Let's
2x.
go.
Again, we have x here, we have x up here for our widths.
So that's,
And now,
that'd be the,
we'll write the polynomial for the area. Area is gonna equal, I'm gonna rewrite it, 2x plus 25 times 2x plus 10. Okay, again, are we gonna leave it like that? No, we're gonna go back to
foil.
FOIL. Okay, so again, if we FOIL this,
2x times 2x? 4x squared.
okay, outer
20x.
20x, okay, inner,
50x.
and then last,
20x.
250.
Oh, I thought that was a 2, not 25.
It's okay, Jason.
I
so
thought
then
it was
20x
a
plus 50x,
Sound. Wow.
okay. So, I guess the only other thing they'll probably have you do, they'll probably write this. Feet squared because we're talking about the area. Alright, so if they say they want a walkway that is 2 feet wide, what can we do?
Square.
Well, we can plug in 2 for the x and solve it out and say that the area is whatever it is, 29 times 14. If you want a 3-foot walkway, plug 3 in, so on and so forth. Alright, so essentially that's really all your assignment is foiling, and then you'll have a couple of these where you gotta distribute a little bit extra. So, your assignment is page 483.
Yep.
Control through 52 even and 50 through 53